In this video, we'll have a look at the top 5 things you can use ChatGPT for as a video creator. What's up everyone? As a person who absolutely loves the technical side of video production, I've always found myself trapped in a corner when it comes to the writing part of the process. Whether it be writing scripts, shot lists, briefs, client proposals, basically anything when it comes to writing, I pretty much suck at it. But since we live in a world where technology is slowly taking over, we will be having a look at the top 5 things you can use ChatGPT for as a filmmaker. Just saying number 4 is my favorite, so be sure to stick around. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Writing scripts. So ChatGPT can take any of your ideas and turn them into a video script, laying the foundations for you to work off of. Or you can just copy it straight, but I don't really recommend it since there are still a couple of kinks being worked out. You can give it prompts like write a short film about a unicorn and a dwarf and make it emotional or funny. And it will proceed to follow your orders, and the results are pretty amazing sometimes. Number 2. Writing social media posts. Now, I don't really like social media. I use it to grab inspiration every now and again. But if you are in the position where you need to market and share your content, ChatGPT can help you write those out, full post, hashtags and all. Number 3. Music selection. Now, let's imagine you're working on a project, but now you need music and you're not entirely sure what would fit best. Simply take the script, either the one you got from ChatGPT or the one you have written yourself, and ask it what type of music would fit. It would give recommendations based on the contents of your script. Number 4. Shot lists. Okay, you've got your script and your music down. Now it's time to go film the project. Same with the music, just give ChatGPT the script and ask it to write a shot list. It will give you a detailed shot list with everything you need, so it even takes the guessing out of how to film it. But on a side note, don't be scared to adapt it to your own style, since you are the creative one. Number 5. Lighting. ChatGPT can take the shot list it's given you and advise on what lighting techniques to use. Ask it questions about what colors and moods it would recommend, really making the turnarounds of videos faster. There are many other things you can do with ChatGPT that we didn't get into today. Just the last note from my side, ChatGPT is not perfect. Use it to assist you, but don't let it be the be-all and end-all of your process. Think of it as a stepping stone and not a foundation. So thank you for watching until the end, and be sure to check out this video on a filmmaking tool that is not a robot. Cheers guys, I'll see you on the next one.